Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for opportunity. Today I'm going to talk you about the result of journal analysis, strategi belajar bahasa Inggris yang menyenangkan untuk anak usia dini. The first analysis is method or strategy. In this journal there are some method or strategies such as the first is the total physical response. Total physical response is the comprehension approach, understanding approach that is a method of language approach translated to instruction or command. This method is appropriate to teach English in early childhood where learning is more to direct activity related to physical activity and movement. The second method is teaching English by using songs. Song or music used as a technique in the learning process. In the learning process of English, music that has variety of elements, it can be made one form of facility to develop cognitive children. And the third strategy is teaching English by using games. English learning by using games will create a more interactive students in learning process, and there are some advantages in teaching English by using games, such as the first is students' learning quality can be improved, and the next, the learning process can occur anywhere and anytime. The positive attitude of students to listen material and learning process itself can be improved, and the last is the role of teacher may change on the more positive and productive. And the last strategy is teaching English by using story. And now we move the second analysis. The second analysis is pro and contra. The first is pro. Teaching English in early childhood is more effective because child brain is believed to absorb the language easier. TYL is useful to educator for being able to know the theory and practice of teaching English to the beginner learner, especially in early childhood. Interesting can use media that can increase students' learning process. The next is contra. As explained before, when TYL is introduced in early childhood, the possibility of their first language, Bahasa Indonesia, hasn't been fully obtained. So the English language acquisition will be difficult to obtain by students, and the quality of the Bahasa Indonesia of young students will decrease. Okay, now we move the third analysis. The third analysis is language component. In this journal, there are two language components. The first is vocabulary and pronunciation. Vocabulary and pronunciation are given when teacher mentions a vocabulary and asks the students to repeat the vocabulary has called by students, and then the teacher stranger students memory of the word with singing and moving. The next analysis is update issue of TYL. The keyword in this journal is using strategy to teaching of early childhood. Teacher must try to give the best to take advantage of their childhood by providing strategies that are able to boost enthusiasm and motivation with what is given, especially for teaching English. The next analysis is the integrating of technology. In this journal is using of strategy in teaching using media such as song and picture. I think enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.